class biology. Today we have to, in the fourth chapter, we have to discuss about the contraceptives effects. We know that is the nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, itching, fluid discharge from the vaginal tract. So, Steve, we have to use that extra dose of progesterone or estrogen if we are using. These extra doses will be harming because we have our body ovary is secreting the progesterone and estrogen. In our body, the different types of hormones are secreted in the metabolic reaction, in the metabolic response, in the physiological response of the body periodically. But these extra doses that is against the natural process that will harm us. Endometrial lining, in that if the copper T is used, intrauterine devices are used, these devices will be harmfully affecting the endometrial formation. So the breakthrough bleeding can be seen, the menstrual abnormalities can be seen, such type of things can be seen here. But today the topic we have to discuss, that is the MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. It is saying that the voluntary and the intentional termination of the pregnancy before the full term is known as medical termination of pregnancy. We know that 270 to 277 days is the full term of the pregnancy in which the fetus will be totally matured and will be naturally parturineted. But before that, in the first trimester on the basis of whatever the advices, suggestions given by the medicinal department, that after the 3 months maturity, the abortion can be done in the particular cases. In the cases are given that. Cases is given that MTP can be done in the casual sexual intercourse. Second is given that if in the case of the failure of the contraceptive measures like the condoms, diaphragms, whatever the things which have been used but has not prevented the pregnancy. Third is the rape, and in that case, if that zygote has form the blastocyst, and that is going to be implanted. So in that cases, the final case, the fourth case is written that if the mother's body is going to be fetal, fetal body is going to be fetal, lethal. In that case, if that is going to be dangerous for the life of the mother and the child, or both, then MTP should be used. Next line, it is written that 1/5 of the total world's MTP, that is the MTP which is going to happen, and that the intentional voluntary termination of pregnancy which is done, that prevents the total world's 1/5 population to be increased per annum. And this is really helpful in the inhibition of the population growth. But this is we cannot say this is the purpose of MTP. What is the purpose of MTP? Purpose of MTP is that these things we have written that unwanted pregnancy, to keep that gap between that. We have discussed that in the case of rape. We have discussed that in the case of failures of the contraceptive measures. In that case, we have to use the MTP. In the case of chromosomal aberration, whatever the genetic disease is going to be inherited inside the child, and that will be facing throughout their life. So that cases will be suggested by the doctors for the MTP. Lastly, it is written that MTP is maybe a fear in the rural areas. We usually listen, can read in the newspapers the news about the death of the mother, death of the those females which have used the casual sexual intercourse, have conception or conceivement. In that case, they any doctor, any educated doctor are not in that position to take that scenario to make abortion. In that condition, this type of people go to the quacks, to the uneducated quacks, to the uneducated nurses, unexperienced nurses, and they do the MTP. In that case, that may be the dangerous for the fetus too, and for the mother too. So this is MTP. Next, we have to study that the sexually transmitted diseases. We have to today study. One thing is written here in the last line, the effective counseling. Effective counseling means RCES program. It is advising to those peoples. Why not the counseling should be there to these type of peoples which are socially unfit, socially and behaviorally unfit on the basis of reproductive health, and if these are cancelled, what should be used, what type of contraceptive should be used, and what should be the pattern to keep the gap between the two fetus, between the two pregnancy. If such type of things are cancelled to those people, MTPs will not be the step, and that will be not harming the mother and the fetus too. STD is sexually transmitted disease. We know that this, as the term is referring itself, that those type of diseases which are spread by the sexual intercourse, by the unprotected sexual intercourse, by the sexual intercourse with the multiple partners. In that case, if any partner have been caused by any transmitted disease, any bacterial disease, so many diseases has been written here: trichomoniasis, chlamydiasis, herpes, genital warts, so many diseases, AIDS, HIV, hepatitis B, so many lethal diseases are written here, that hepatitis B and HIV, this type of diseases, if happen to the particular person, will lead suddenly, that one line is written in the latter period, that death is inevitable. In that case, one line will be written, we will be studying later on, that death is inevitable in the case of AIDS, in the case of hepatitis B. So in the genital ward, in the case of herpes, in the case of other diseases written here, chlamydomonosis, trichomoniasis, we can identify the disease in the initial cases and we can treat them. But some cases will be not identified by that people. General itching is there, general fluid discharge from the vaginal tract is there, and this type of symptoms if happening, abdominal pain is there, inflammation in the pelvic region is there. Such type of symptoms will not be identified in the proper case, in the proper period in which that should be cured. So that will become lethal in the advanced case. So we know that blood transfusion is the main way through which the AIDS and HIV can spread, hepatitis B can spread. So we have to intravenous drugs. No, in the higher society we have usually through the films and movies we see that they are using intravenous drugs to take the different types of drugs. In that case, if any person is diseased, if any person have been caused by the HIV, then that HIV can be transferred, and that will be transferred throughout that circle, and all these peoples will be caused by this AIDS. So this type of things can be checked, and it is what should be in which category, in which age group this is more panic. Then it is writing that the age group of this type of people which are in the secondary or higher secondary level, between the 15 to 24 years of age group, people are more panic, or more caused by this STDs. So don't be panic. It is saying that avoid the sexes with the unidentified person, avoid the sexes with the multiple partners, use the condoms, and if anywhere you are feeling any guilt, you are feeling any doubt about your disease, then go to the hospital, go to the that is called diagnostic centers, and diagnose yourself and test your blood sample, and that will be giving you the confirmed idea that you have been going to be caused by any particular disease or not. Thank you.